What is digital money? Digital money is a new type of money that only exists in the form of numbers on your computer screen. It's also known as electronic cash. Unlike real things like coins, one person can give someone else lots of digital money very quickly. This new way of paying with our smartphones could change the world. What are some advantages and disadvantages of digital money? Advantages: you can shop online easier. You can send and receive more than just text messages, email too. The best thing about digital money is that it can be sent instantly. You can also use your digital money online or on your phone. There's no need to wait around for a cash machine or ATM. Disadvantages: you could lose all your money if you don't store them safely with a password, USB, etc. It could be hacked. Is digital money safe? The most secure way to handle digital money is to use a bank. Bank accounts require passwords and encryption, and your account details are secret. Banks also have more experience than most of us when it comes to keeping your money safe. You can also use a network like PayPal or Amazon, which will help you recover any lost or stolen money. If you decide not to use a bank, you should be very careful about how you store your digital money. Thieves can steal them from your computer if they know how you've organized them. You should also make sure your passwords are strong and hide them from other people. Why is digital money important? Money is important in our lives because it helps us to buy and sell things we need. It's also a way to keep track of our money and a payment instrument for business transactions. But if we want to use real cash more than we do now, there's a big problem. Lots of people don't have enough money in their bank accounts. Even when people have jobs, they might not earn enough money to pay their bills. How much does it cost to set up a digital money system in your country? This is very difficult to answer because we don't know how many countries have tried it and not succeeded. At the moment, we don't know if one government or several governments can run their own digital money system. However, we do know that the SDR Foundation is set up in the name of the Science and Development Network (SDN). The SDN is a consortium of governments and non-governmental organizations that wants to develop electronic money services all over the world. If a government wants a system like this, they can find out more by contacting SDN through its website. How can digital money be used in your country? Digital money could help people to transfer money faster and more accurately. It can also make payments easier, especially online. At the moment, it's not safe to use digital money to make payments for expensive items like cars or houses because there's no insurance against fraud. The SDR Foundation advises people not to use digital cash for payments of more than £200. If you do want to buy expensive products using digital cash, try to leave some kind of proof of the agreement between the seller and the buyer, a receipt or payment code. You could also ask a credit scoring agency like Experian or Equifax if the seller is trustworthy. Do governments need digital money? Some governments may find that digital money is useful for sending payments to other countries, competition with Western Union. They may also want to improve government services by matching people's needs and spending more efficiently. Other countries might use digital money to build a payment infrastructure that supports their local economies. It would be great if we could all use digital money all over the world and in different formats and currencies, so we can easily send and receive information. How will we pay our taxes using digital money? As well as giving us access to better services in our local area, digital cash could help us pay for pensions, healthcare, and unemployment benefits. Taxation is one of the main ways governments can help people who don't have a lot of money. Digital cash could make taxation a much easier process, and it could lead to better services for everyone. What should you do if you lose your digital money? If you lose your digital money, you'll have to find out from an internet banking provider how to get them back. If you're really worried about losing your digital money, remember that they're virtual accounts, software programs that hold information about your account. They aren't as valuable as real money, but you need to protect them from being stolen by thieves and scammers. Use strong passwords and avoid using your credit card details for online banking. If you are worried about losing money, it's a good idea to build up an emergency fund of cash in advance. What are the benefits of distributing digital payments? Distributing digital payments means providing people with the means to make payments for goods and services. This could be an efficient method of sending people money, especially if they don't have bank accounts. Other countries might use digital money for payments in emergencies, too. rather than having to pay for things that cost with foreign currency or checks. Building a payment infrastructure that supports local economies would also be important in helping people who need help with their bills. How can we make digital money safer? Digital money is safer than carrying cash, but there are still some dangers. You could lose your electronic wallet or have your account hacked into. Credit card fraud is also a problem, of course, because of phishing scams and other attacks on internet accounts. If you're worried about protecting your digital cash, it's a good idea to build up an emergency fund of cash in advance. You'll also want to use strong passwords and avoid using your credit card details for online banking. What are the risks of digital money? If you're new to digital money, don't rush out and buy lots of dollars, euros, or yen. This might be a good way to make some quick savings, but it's not a good way to get rich. In many cases, you could end up losing all your money if the government suddenly changes the rules or there's fraud going on with your account. If you're going to try out digital cash in the future, make sure you do a bit of research before starting any transactions. You'll be better off finding out more by visiting this website or contacting the government.